Spectra 5228. Let's do this thing. Bloody hell. What is this place? Why does Geelong need two?
They're like a 20-minute drive apart from each other.
That's not. That doesn't help. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will win the Angels. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Not quite right. Yeah. Y'all are making this up. This is like some prank thing.
Massive gotcha.
I'm gonna call this place and be like, "Hi, is this not quite right?" And it's gonna be some place that's like, "You idiot." 5 times. Here we go. 1. This is the most elaborate prank of all time. 2. 3. 4. It's not actually Ben and Jerry's. It's like Jen and Berries. Like, and 5. Top is the Brewers. 5 times. Congrats, Brewers. In this one, get rid of it. 5228.
That's where I get the bean snaps from.
Oh, okay, they're good. Brewers, Andrew got. Congratulations. And so I don't know what else. So this is a bloody revelation, Tabby. 3-liter milkshake flavors.
It's legit. It is real. It's where everyone's great.
Oh, fair enough.
I've been there multiple times.
Well, you get $50 worth of $1 protein shakes.
Yeah, that's actually what I did. Taylor went with me. She helped me out.
Yeah.
And
Well, they just like, you freak. Surely.
Taylor, you don't laugh because I know that the freaking cashiers will, and they did.
To 75, Jose Ramirez. How much milkshake does that produce? Nice. Braxton Garrett, number 220, and Sixto Sanchez, dynamic duos. They had 2 nice patches there for the Miami. As I said, Miami always cleans up in this. I can't believe it took them that long to sell. And Detroit, see? 10 of 10, aspiring gold, Akil Baddoo. I tried not to, but Akil Baddoo. Rest in peace, Erica. Rookie Aura, Casey Mize, the meta, unnumbered for some reason. Disappointing. Again, Detroit. Detroit or Miami. I literally, how many times do I have to say it? How many times, Toby? Throwouts. Marble, Anthony Rendon, 2 of 5 for the Angels. Congratulations, Andrew. This is all just short print as hell. Game Day Spectacle to 25. Manny Machado for the Padres. Congratulations to the San Diego Daddies. And Hayden. And then to 99, Brian Hayes. Rookie jersey auto for Pittsburgh. Okay. See what I'm telling you, Toby? It's product's lit. Congratulations, Hayden. And a rookie aura for St. Louis, numbered 38 of 45, Dylan Carlson. A pink. They're low numbered as well. Numbered 37 of 40, Kettle Marte. Put the kettle on. 23 of 75. It is Max Impact. Justin Wilson for New York. To 109, it is getting to third baseman of Texas's Sherman Apostle. And he's got a cool auto. It's Apostle. And a rookie base of Taylor Trammell. I guess we needed something. I don't think there has been. MLB Spectra is fantastic this year. Real loaded. Nate Lowe, numbered 17 of 50 for Texas. Yeehaw. For Texas, it is a dynamic duos jersey of Dane Dunning and Anderson Tejeda. The shortstop in the picture. Yes, that is a hotbox ringer. 100%. Oh, beautiful RPA for Pittsburgh. Numbered 18 of 49, Jared Oliva. Nice little RPA there. And a die cut for Oakland, Dalton Jeffries, 31 of 35. Yep, that's definitely hotbox sounding. No one else can see the revelation of the martyr in me. Are you opening like a couple of packs every day, or? Because I'd love to know what you get. Pink, Walker Buehler, Texas Ranger, numbered 40 of 40 for Los Angeles Dodgers. Again for the Dodgers to 25, dynamic duos, dual patches, McKinstry and Ruiz. One a day, nice. To 109, Tristan McKenzie for Cleveland, jersey auto. And a meta rookie for the Atlanta Braves of William Contreras. That looks so thick. I think it is optical illusion. It's definitely optical illusion. It's actually one of the thinnest packs I have ever picked up. It's a redemption. For Philadelphia, it is 275, Didi Gregorius. Epic Legends of Adrian Beltre for Texas, little jersey. By jersey, I mean bat. Where? 6 of Sanchez, and now we have a redemption. Spectra, rookie jersey autographs, neon blue. That'll look very nice. Card 114, Garrett Crochet. The wool man himself. Big wool. Garrett Crochet, heavy sweater. As they call him, Tabby. Cody Bellinger. That is a blue, numbered to 32 of 50. For the Giants, Fireworks Fabric Buster Posey. And that is a gorgeous patch there for San Francisco. The Giants doing very well for themselves there. We then have to 199. It's Ryan Mountcastle also for Baltimore. Who's picked up Baltimore? Because they've just gone bang, bang, bang. Rob Fisher, congratulations. And a pink die cut from Pittsburgh. It is Will Crow, number 32 of 35. Final pack, here we go. Gold for the Braves. Numbered 7 of 10, Ronald Acuna Jr.
Jeez.
That is very nice. Congratulations, Hotlanta. To Lund, very nice. To just 10 for Oakland, Dalton Jeffries building blocks. Man, this is fantastic. To 49, it is Brandon Lowe on-card auto for Tampa Bay. That's nice. And then finally for Detroit to just 30, Casey Mize, rookie aura. And that is that for Spectra, 52-28.